Okay, we have a question that does not have fractions in it, but we're going to use fractions and variables, letters to answer this question. So Sam's going from one city to another, looking on a map, sees a scale, that's our magic word, where 3 centimeters represents 20 miles, and uses a ruler to measure, and on the map, the distance is 90 centimeters, how many miles? This is where we want to use fractions, and here's why. If we have a rule, and that's the rule, the scale on the map is 3 centimeters represents 20 miles. So I'm going to put my 3s up here and my 20s down here. I'm going to remind myself, these are centimeters and these are miles. They gave me centimeters, so I have a 90 to put either top or bottom. Well, I just told myself, centimeters go on top. So 90 is going up here. And then the thing I don't know, how many miles, miles go on bottom. I'm just going to call X. Once we have things slotted into fractions, we cross multiply. We are 3 steps away, and one of them is incredibly easy, and that's the first one. It's not even a step. We start with what we don't know and multiply across. X times 3, there's no way to write that except 3x, or 3 times x. There's an invisible little multiply in there. One step down. Next step, 90 times 20. Well, 9 times 2 is 18. And then we add the zeros that are left over. 1, 2. So that's 1,800. That's 2 steps down. Third step is we want to get this x all by itself. That means the 3 times part we got to get rid of. And the way we get rid of it is by doing the opposite. That's 3 times x. Then we got to do x divided by 3. So whatever's in the top, we put on the bottom, and whatever's on the left, we put on the right in order to be fair and equal. These cancel out. What am I doing putting a 3 there? What am I doing?
There you go.
And we got to remember fractions are nothing but division problems, and we divide down if we have a calculator. If we don't, we kick that number out. So the 3 would be on the outside. 3 divided by 1,800. 3 goes into 18 6 times, and the rest are just zeros. So 600 is our answer. Dayton to Cleveland. Got to get there. Got to see a man by a girl.